Hello there, welcome back. My name is Jimmy. Something came to my desk last night and it was pretty shocking. The cryptocurrency Titan has its whole entire value been wiped to zero. Yes, you heard me correctly, to zero. So I was thinking maybe I will just do a video on the following four things. One, what is Titan? Two, why were people attracted to it? Three, how do you spot a scam in crypto? And four, if you want to invest in a crypto like this, what are the things that you should be looking for? Or rather, what is the strategy you can adopt? If you're invested in cryptocurrency, you should be aware of there are actually more scams than what you think in the crypto world. People are being attracted to crypto because of its enormous exponential return, from a few 100% to a few 1000% within a very short period of time. Now, everybody wants to get rich. I want to get rich as well. But the fact is that when we invest in a cryptocurrency, do we actually understand what we are investing? How do we actually spot a scam like this? So what is Titan? Titan is basically a stable coin. And stable coin is actually used to swap with other cryptocurrencies. Now, in order for Titans to work, typically in layman terms, it requires a liquidity providers that go into that networks so that the more coins can be minted, it can be floated around the market, and it can be used to swap with other currencies. Now, in order to attract the kind of liquidity that the coins in the market, the coins, or rather the providers, will actually incentivize by giving interest, right? That's what they call yield farming. And that's where comes to number two, why people are attracted to Titans. Now, after last night, what I did is that I go and did a quick search, and I was like finding the information that Titan was, giving away yield farming of more than $2,000, more than 2,000% APY. And I was like, my goodness, 2,000% returns in interest, by just putting, any amount of money to the network. This is like, that brings to my point number three. How do you spot a crypto scam from far? Well, if a cryptocurrency is promising you a yield farming of more than 2,000%, you know that it is a scam, because no asset class will be able to give you anything more than 2,000% in a year. That's for sure. Not even drug dealing. The only way where people is able to pay you 2,000% per annum is to have someone who invests later than you take their money and pay it out as an incentive to you, and that's the only way. Remember this fundamental: cryptocurrency does not have intrinsic value, and therefore it is not possible for them to give you any interest nor return nor growth from a cryptocurrency. Simple. My last point is about, even if you know that it is a Ponzi scheme and if you really want to be in it, what can you do? What are the things or strategies that you want to do? Well, I would say that if you already spotted that this is a Ponzi scheme and you still want to be in it, then the best strategy is always be there early, right? Go in there as early as you can, get out as far as you can, withdraw everything. That's the best way, because like Titans, people who come in late and they were attracted by the 2,000% return, they are not going to get any single cent back. This entire Titan event basically teach us a lesson. Number one is that if you have the billionaires, the smartest people who go up there and tweet about the currencies or the cryptos, just open your eyes, right? Because look, these people, they are success for a reason, and you can be part of their success if you contribute the liquidity, into that network. Another thing you want to take note is that cryptocurrency is still unregulated, so money that lose through all these scams, you are not going to be, protected by any authority. To the zoomer out there, if you think that diamond hands is always rocket to the moon, the Titan just prove otherwise. If you have opinion about the content, please write down your comment. Otherwise, please give me a like, subscribe my channels, and I'll see you next time.